bike, originally sold out of our Tyrone, Pennsylvania location. Excellent condition with just over 3,000 miles. Front cowling, headlights are clean, front fender's clean, never been down. Plastics look good. It does have the Aprilia comfort seat, the gel seat. Muffler's clean. And the blemish I spoke about is right here, probably previous owner's riding jacket. That's the only blemish I found on the bike. We've got 3,045 miles. Buttons, grips, good. Of course, there's one of these coming on the cruise control. Comfort gel seat. Left-hand side light clean. And this Aprilia does have factory warranty good into January 20th of 2025. So about 5 months or so of factory warranty life remains. Excellent condition. Give us a call today or email info@kisselmotorsports.com for more information or to schedule a test drive. Thank you.